Hey, Sistagirl here with a walkthrough for a line dance that is done to Usher's song called Bad Girl. It's a real easy beginner line dance. Anyone, and I mean anyone, can get this line dance. There are 4 moves and each move is done 4 times. It can't get no easier than that. But before I get into the actual demo, I just want to say thank you to everyone who's recently subscribed to the channel. I appreciate you. Remember to turn on your notifications so you know when I drop a new tutorial in, and just share and tell everybody. Oh, and by the way, if you are in the Gwinnett County area, we meet particularly on Wednesdays for line dancing at Rose Jordan Park. I have 2 classes. The very easy beginner class is at 6, and then those who are more comfortable with a faster pace, we meet at 7, but you can find all the details on my website, and I'll put the link down in the description as well. All right, let's get to it. So, remember I said 4 moves, each move is done 4 times. I'm going to turn to the back so that you can see. The first move is a dip, okay, very simple. Starting with the right, it's a dip. You come back with the right, 1, 2, 3. Same thing on the left, dip. Come back with the left, 1, 2, 3. So if I put that, the tempo, dip, 1, 2, 3, dip, 1, 2, 3, dip, 1, 2, 3, dip, 1, 2, 3. One move done 4 times, okay? Move number 2 is going to be, let me move up, because we're actually going to move back with a step. So it's what I call a, how should I say, step and bounce. Step, bounce, bounce, step, bounce, bounce, step, bounce, bounce, step, bounce, bounce. Okay? That's all it really is a step and a bounce. 2 bounces. Step back, bounce, bounce. Do, do. Do, do. Do, do. Okay? Of course, to the beat. The next move after that, move number 3, is going to be a cha-cha step and turn. Giving you a back view again, so I'm not out of frame. Okay? With the right, cha-cha. With the left, step, half turn. Weight is going to be on the left. You're going to shift it to the right. Okay? Because you're going to move the left foot. Cha-cha, right step and turn. Okay? Shift the weight to the left so you can move the right. Cha-cha, left step and turn. Weight on the right, move the left. Cha-cha, step and turn. 4 times. That's move number 3. Last little move, we're going to roll and move to the right and roll and move to the left. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Those are your moves. So, let's put it together. 5, 6, here we go. Dip, 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 That's the whole dance. That's all the moves together to my doo-doo. Don't laugh. But you see, it's very easy. So, I'll put some links into the description where you can see people doing it and practice. And if you like, let me know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you already have, share it with somebody else that you think might be able to benefit from joining the channel, watching the videos, and learning line dances. Thanks a lot.